Hello guys, today we are going to learn how to speak with a beggar. So let's get started. What's wrong with you? Please sir, give me some money. I haven't eaten anything since the day before. I don't have any change. I don't have any change. Wait. Here, take this. It's something good. Sir, you can't even get a chocolate for this 2 taka. Yeah, be beggar. Why are you begging? Sir, I have a hole in my heart. That's why I can't work. Here, take this. It's something good. Don't smoke, brew, or cigarette. Thank you very much. May Allah encourage your heart and money so that you can give more in the future.